Hello everyone. I welcome class 12 students in this session. Today I am going to discuss chapter 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variations. Here we will be dealing with the genetics. Now what is genetics? Genetics is the branch of science which deals with the inheritance and variations in all the organisms. Now, the inheritance. Inheritance is the transfer of parental characters from one generation to the next generation. Variations. Here, the variations occurs, that is the differences of traits in individuals from parents to the offsprings. As sexually reproducing organisms, they show variations. So, to prove it, the father of genetics, Gregor Johann Mendel, in 1822 to 1884, he has experimented with the Pisum sativum, that is the garden pea plant. And he observed pure breeding line, that is the 7 pairs of contrasting traits. That traits are the dominant traits and the recessive traits. The dominant traits such as stem height, dominant trait, tall, recessive, dwarf. Seed shape, round and wrinkled. Seed color, white, violet and green. Flower color, seed color, yellow and green. Flower color, violet and white. Pod shape is that is inflated and constricted. Pod color, green is dominant and yellow is recessive. Flower position, that is the axial position, is dominant, whereas the terminal position is recessive. So, he conducted an artificial hybridization among these traits. In these traits, he first experimented with the tall and dwarf plant. In this, he obtained, in first generation, all tall pea plant. And then the F1 generation progeny was self-pollinated to obtain the result, that is, the phenotypic ratio is 3:1 and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Here, I mean to say that in the Mendel's experiments, monohybrid cross, he observed that in F1 progeny, the dominant trait, tallness, they suppresses the dwarfness recessive gene. And then he has given the Mendel's law of inheritance. The first law, that is the law of dominance. In the law of dominance, he explained that the tallness character is dominating and they are suppressing the recessive character. So, in F1 generation, all the plants obtained are tall. Second law, he says that law of segregation. In that, he told that during F2 generation, when the self-pollination is done between the F1 progeny, he told that when the gametes segregate and then random fusion occurs. After the random fusion, the parents, the progeny which obtained are in the ratio of 3:1. That is, the external observable character, the 75% tall plant was obtained and 25% dwarf plant was obtained. But the genotype if we see the genotypic ratios or percentage, we see that it is 1:2:1. It means that 25% plant obtained was pure tall, 50% plant obtained was hybrid tall, and 25% again it is the recessive character dwarf plant. So the Mendel says that the dominant character, the dominant trait, they suppresses the recessive gene. That means the recessive gene, they are not blended with the dominant trait, but they appear in the pure line form. Thank you for this session.